Hello everybody, welcome to Lovely Angels International Preschool and Daycare. Myself Damini Sunil. How are you all doing? Okay, I know you all are doing great. Yes. So, as you all are having fun at home, I have another activity which you can do with the materials that you have at home. So, what you guys need for this is a waste paper plate at home, or you can even use the cups. The cups I will teach you later how to do it. So, for today, we will do the paper plate activity. Yes, are you all ready to do the paper plate activity? Yes, very good. So for this what we need is scissors, a paper plate, glue and few paints if you want to paint the paper plates and any color of anything you want to do. Okay, when you are painting, when you're using scissors or Fevicol, please be careful. Okay, and when you're using a paints, please put a newspaper under so that the place doesn't get dirty. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes. So I have a paper plate with me. Yes, it's a waste one which I won't be using it. So you can use them when mamas and papas are there with you, okay? Yes, so what I've done is I've already painted it black. So what do you think? Which animal will be in black? Can you all guess? Okay, I'll give you clues, okay? Yes, and the body of the animal is black in the outside and it's white in the inside. Are you guessing? Okay, I'll give you another clue. The beak and the legs or the feet of the animal is orange in color. Okay, hope you're guessing. Yes. And the third clue is it lives in cold places. Yes, very good. You got it. So, shall we do a penguin? Yes, using a paper plate. Okay. So, I will show you how to do it. Okay. So, what you have to do is you have to paint one side of it with black paint. Okay. And the other one you should just leave it white. Okay. So, what you have to do is fold it into half. You need, and then you get one, when you fold it into half, you need to get one small line and you are folding one like this. Okay, and the next one again this way because you've got the center of the head. Okay, so this is how it looks. You press it as hard as you want. Ready? Yes. Okay, and then you take this part, the head part, and fold it downwards. Like this. Yes, this is the head and this is the body. Okay, and then what you do is I have done small cuttings, the beak, okay, and the feet for the penguin. So I'm taking glue. Be careful, no putting your fingers in your mouth when you have glue, okay? And you must be very careful when you are using the scissors as well. I stuck the beak. It's very simple. Okay, just that you need instructions to do it. And I am sticking the feet also. Yay, my penguin is ready. Did you all see it? Okay, for the eyes, what I'm going to do is take, I don't have the, what do you say, the googly eyes. What I will do is take two bindis if possible, or I will take white paint and make the eyes. a white bindi or any color bindi you want. Can you see it? Yes, so I have the mother penguin and the baby penguin. Yes, so see, it's very easy. This is the big paper plate I've used, and this is the smaller paper plate that you get in the bakeries. Yes, so I've used it the same way. I've painted it black with orange feet and the beak, and I have put the white paint for the eyes and all of that. So the same way I have done a tortoise. Can you see the tortoise? Yes. So what I've done, I've taken a paper plate. Okay, and I've taken another paper plate to use the legs and the head for it, and I have put the shells also over it. So you can hang them where you want, or you can just keep it for, like a decorative thing when you do it and all of that. So I wanted to do another one where it is orange in color. I'm going to make a fish. I already cut this, okay, and I am sticking the leftover one here at the back. Okay, I'll just show you. Yes. Can you see the fish? Yes, this is the fish. So you can make a eye for it and the things. Yes. Okay. I have a golden fish. Yes. So hope you all like the videos, and please do use the materials that are at home. If you don't have this, take a cardboard or anything that's a waste, and you can do all these things. Yes. Hope you like the video. Bye bye. Take care.